Let's count down my 5 most viral videos from this year, and then I'll tell you what happened after they went viral. And number 5 is my video of when I painted my front porch ceiling paint blue, and I told you guys why. I gained 15,000 new followers from that video. My number 4 most viral video of this year was when I started the series, What Looks Good in DIY Bloggers Home, but not in real life. This was so much fun, seeing all your comments on this series. This one in particular, I used my own home. I gained 30,000 new followers with this, and I think it had some help from the other part of the series as well. And plus, I think I gained around 20 new members to my shopping service to Design Broker. My 3rd most viral video of this year was actually part of my Rich Mom series. So after I did a Rich Mom video, I would do a Resourceful Mom video. And so the Resourceful Mom video had different spending habits and different objectives. And so a lot of this was linked in my Amazon storefront. So this series, or the next 3 that I'm talking about, I gained 90,000 new followers from this series. And my Amazon store for the first time really popped and went on fire. And when I say on fire, I mean during that month, you guys purchased $179,191.35 worth of products from Amazon storefront, which was amazing. My 2nd most viral video of this year was Rich Mom Poolside, and this is when we went into the details of how she would lay out her backyard with her pool in particular. And so this obviously attributed to the 90,000 new followers and definitely increased my shopping membership on Design Broker. And my most viral video from this year is What Would Rich Mom Do Landscape Edition. I sold over 60 packages of those outdoor landscaping lights from Amazon storefront, and this helped me get to almost 200,000 followers on TikTok this year, which has been amazing. On top of that, I have over 400 people in my design assistant shopping service, and they've been able to purchase over $1.5 million worth of designer furniture, which is absolutely incredible because that means I've saved those members over $350,000 in furniture and home decor savings. So, first question, do you guys want me to continue the Rich Mom series? Because in the middle of that, TikTok changed the algorithm, so the rest kind of fell flat. Or do you want something fresh like the Hot Girl series? Also, update to you guys, going into the next year, my business strategy has always been to make money from sponsorships and advertisers, not my community. And I have not done any brand deals with all of these amazing companies like Pottery Barn, Lulu, Georgia, and West Elm. And so I'm going to be concentrating on that in hopes to bring you even more incredible content that will serve you. And I just want to thank you guys for going through the growing pains of this first year. I know sometimes it's been difficult and messages go to spam, and we could not have done any of this without you. And as our team's growing, so are our goals and all the crazy, incredible content that we have planned for the new year. So follow along if you're not already, and stay tuned for a lot more from Design Broker. Thank you, thank you, thank you.